my name's Harry from HS Carpentry. In this video it's going to be slightly different. We are doing a sort of day in the life video, so there'll be some, there'll be everything that we do in a day crammed into one small video. See how that fares up and see if you enjoy that or not. We've got a busy day ahead. We're over at the halls today. We've got myself, Tom and Matt, all three of us over there, and we are constructing a flat roof on the workshop that's over there. So we've made a dent in it last week, but obviously it still needs to be finished, so we'll crack on with that today. Hopefully with all three of us there we can get the majority of it finished. The actual corrugated sheets for the roof are coming midweek this week, so yeah, we can get everything sorted for that. But for now, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We've got to go to Screwfix real quick and get some materials that we ordered last week. So site's about an hour away, and then Screwfix that we're going to is a little bit closer than that. So head there first, pick up what we need, and then we can get straight.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh.
So we've just picked everything up from Screwfix. We had quite a bit to collect. We needed all of the hardware for the flat roof, so the joist hangers, nails, truss clips, and the restraint straps. So picked all that up, and in the meantime we've had a text from Matt. He's not going to be in today, he's ill, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue because Tom will be with me today anyway. So in worst case, the other lads on site will always jump in and give us a hand if we need it. So so now bit of Screwfix, we should be alright for anything else today. So head straight to site and yeah, get on. Going with it? Where's it going? If we just move the chop saw real quick. Base is 4 across, this is 5 across. I'll be alright, we'll just drop it down. I'll jump out of the way. Same way? Like it there? Yep. Keep going that way. Bit more. Bit more. Go down with that. We hold it there a sec. Hold it there. Lift these up. Yeah, there's a lot of weight on there, isn't there? Yeah, if we just spread these times again. Alright, so as you just saw, we just took the remaining of the 8x2 round. I thought we'd do that first thing because, as you can see, this track is pretty sloppy. But we wanted to get that round there. We got cut short with that last week because we had torrential downpour, so it made this track unusable with the forklift. So yeah, but we thought we'd just get that, and now that it's dried up a little bit, we can now use it to bring all the tools and whatnot round. So we're just going to go back round to the hall now, grab the rest of the gear we need, and crack straight on. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute.
In my head, so I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing.
So sites are set up now, we've got all the tools around here, everything else that we're going to need. I'll show you where we got to. Well, you can briefly see it up there now, but I'll show you what we got done last week. So we've got the flitch beam in. This flitch beam is just over 7 meters long. We've got 8mm steel in there, and then we got this back runner joist in, and Matt got sort of halfway through knocking in all the twist nails for the hangers. So first job today is we need to straighten this flitch beam up. So I think, in actual fact, on the camera it looks like it's got that sort of bend in it, and it's actually got a convex bend in it, sorry. So we're going to need to push that out so we can straighten that back line up. We can then fix all of these joists down because these aren't fixed at the minute. Fix all of them down, get the truss clips on, then we can move on to this side and get these in, because this building is horrendously out of square. So as we were doing the measuring up last week, we noticed that the building is roughly 25mm out of square, and it's not parallel either. So it doesn't help the situation, but we're making do. So yeah. So I'm just looking down this back line. So what we do, that's the plan for today. Get that straightened up. Hopefully we can get those front joists in, get all of this fixed up, and then tomorrow we can sort of crack on with the ladders and such. But yeah, we'll see how we get on today. We are fighting the plates as well. The plates are a bit out of level, but it is what it is. We'll get over it, and yeah, end up with a nice flat, well, end up with a nice roof that's shedding the water off as it should. So yeah, see you in a bit.
These doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So
You what? No, we didn't bring a lamp. Do you need one? Yeah, it got featured on there.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like they're playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
Yeah, chuck everything there. It's all coming back out tomorrow, isn't it? Okay, so just about to start packing up for today, but here's where we're at. Obviously, as you saw earlier, we finished off these joists. They're all hung and sorted. A few more twist nails to finish off, but Matt will do them first thing tomorrow. We still need the truss clips on this side of the joists. All of the hangers are on this side up against the flitch, and they're screwed, but they just need filling up. So again, Matt will be on that tomorrow. Coming through here. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. All nice and flat. We had to notch a few just because to get over different heights of the timbers. And then we started the first sort of fascia backboard on there. And what we've done is overhung this the same distance as what the ladders are going to be all the way through. So and then obviously the front of that fascia back will come across, and now straight into there, and we'll do the same on that side when we get to it. So but for now we'll get all of this packed up. So we've just left site and yeah, finished up for today. As you saw, we got on all right today. We were battling up with a few things, and I had a few other bits and pieces to take care of. You know, sorting other customers out and the other trades out on site, because we've got the loft conversion going on. So we had to help the boys out there with something and make sure that they knew where they were going and whatever else. But yeah, with regards to the roof, yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll get all of the ladders finished up along with the fascia backs, and then we can start running the furrings in. So the furrings are going to be pretty time consuming because we were unable to get any 6 metre timbers in, so they're going to have to be made out of 4.8 and then 1.2 to gain our 6 metre length. And obviously we're going from 150mm down to nothing over those 6 metres, so that's going to be quite time consuming, but it's got to be done. Obviously we need to make sure we get the correct and adequate fall, and then once we've got them on, we can then obviously get the OSB on, and then the roof sheets and so on and so forth. As I mentioned before, I think the roof sheets are coming Wednesday. It's now Monday, so yeah, so overall it was a pretty good day. Hopefully we'll have Matt back tomorrow and he can crack on with the hangers and bits and pieces, whilst me and Tom get the ladders on and we can really push this roof on. So yeah, so no, it was a pretty good day overall. But yeah, for now, quick visit to the gym. Again, we've got about an hour's drive back to Ipswich, so, and then quick visit to the gym. Got some bits and pieces to take care of this evening, a few emails to send off, get some stuff sorted, and then do it all over again tomorrow. So yeah, we'll put you on a time lapse for a drive, and see you at the gym.
Love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing.
Okay, so that's the gym finished. We were in there for about an hour or so. Now it's time to head home, have some tea, chill out, recover, get on with a bit of paperwork, and then get straight back at it tomorrow. So like I said at the start of the video, really this video was more a day in the life of me and running the business and getting on with day-to-day stuff. So if you did enjoy it, please let me know. If you want to see more of them, let me know. If you don't, then let me know. You know, all the feedback is greatly appreciated, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got it this far, then please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Take care.